Hi, this is Elan Academia and you are watching our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss three very important functions of Excel: average, Averageif, and Averageifs. We have the monthly sales and order data of a company from January 2020 to December 20. Let's see what are the average sales for the whole year. Press equal, type average, open parentheses, select the range, close parentheses, press enter. There you go, 4,625 average sales for the whole year. Now what if we have a criteria to calculate the average, that is the sales greater than 0. This means that we want to exclude the months in which sales appear to be less than 1. In that case we have the July 20th month. Now how to calculate it? We will use the Averageif function. Press equal, type Averageif, open parentheses, select the range, comma. Now it asks for the criteria. You will write the criteria like this: inverted commas, press sign, 0, inverted commas, open parentheses, press enter. There you go, 5,045 average sales if we exclude the July 20 figure. This means that this is the 11-month average for the whole year. Now what if we have more than one criteria to calculate the average? The one is the sales greater than 0 and the other is orders greater than 5. How we could calculate the average if we have more than one criteria? We will use the Averageifs function. Press equal, type Averageifs, open parentheses, select the average range and comma, criteria range, that would be the same, and comma. It asks for the criteria 1. The first criteria is sales greater than 0. Like this. Then comma, it asks for criteria range true. In that case we have the number of orders. Select the range, comma. Then the criteria 2 is orders greater than 5. Close parentheses, press enter. There you go, 6,125 average sales if we exclude the July month and the months in which the orders appear to be less than 5. So that's how you will use these three functions in your daily data analysis. Thanks for watching.